Bud, what do you got? Crappie? Oh, rock bass. Let's see him. Nice job, dude. Nice fish. Here, let's take a picture. That's a pretty fish. Oh, there's one. Got him. I don't know what I caught. Oh, not a bad fish. Watch out, there's treble hooks on here, bud.
It's a little bass, smallmouth.
Hey. Okay. I'll take him. Thanks, buddy.
Biggest fish of the day so far.
Oh, guy with black spots on him. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Now look at his belly. Thank you, bud. This is the beginning of the deep hole. Now he's gonna make a throw on that edge again. Oh, fish on. Yes. Here we go. Now rock bass? Yep. Rock bass on the stupid tube. That's how we creek fish. Oh, fish on. Got another one. You want to reel him in? Well, come here. Actually, this might be it's bigger. I don't know what it is. A bigger rock bass.
Maybe about the same size.
Nice one. You like it?
Oh, wow.
No, I'm telling you, he's bigger.
He looks so small in the water.
Yeah, cool. Oh, there we go. Here we go.
Yeah?
I think so. Nope. Big rock bass.
What is the deal with rock bass?
I don't know.
And these tiny
Big
little
fat
ones?
rock bass.
Huh?
Big rock bass. Thanks, bud. Sign. Oh, there we go. Oh, 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 that was a bass. Dang it, I missed the bass. Ooh. Stick. Dang it. Got excited about a stick, Reese. Yeah. Excited about a dang stick. Who gets excited about a stick? I don't know.
Who's in like Michigan?
Well, his favorite place is in Ohio, but
what?
his favorite place is in Ohio. The other place, oh, there's fish. Ooh, fish. Good fish, Reese. Yeah, good fish. Oh, bass. Yes. Smallmouth. Not that big. I don't need the net.
What's this?
I don't know. Whatever you did, you broke it.
I got this now.
Oh, you took this. You goober.
What?
Thank you, guy. Yes. Hey, Reese, there's nothing in these creeks. No fish at all. Right, Reese? Come up here. Come up here. Seriously. Fish right... Oh, not there. It was over there by that tree. There's a rock bass. Rock bass are in my dreams today. Don't worry about it. Nice cast. There you go. Just drag it out. Got him?
No.
Well, yeah, that was a bite. You got something on. What are you talking about? No, that's a smallmouth. Reese! Get him, bro. Yes! Reese on the stupid tube for the win. Hey, good job, buddy.
I think he threw up something.
Love you, boy. Yeah.
I thought I did.
Yeah. Oh, fish on. Whoa. Got one. Bassy bass. All right. And you got a snag? Are you snagged or what? What?
I got a fish.
Thanks, bud.
Did he just puke something out?
Maybe. Good grief, he liked you. This tree looks like it got struck by lightning. The way it broke. Like it shattered. Those are pretty. Oh. I wonder what they are. Oh wow, they smell pretty good. Nice last year.
Thanks for watching this video. We were able to get a good pattern for smallmouth bass. Once we got away from the launch point, we started using the stupid tube, just dragging it, pitching it near cover, under cover, just in little gaps and holes, and started to find some nice fish. We even missed a big fish, never got to see it, but was kind of excited about that at the end, just as it gave a little bit of a credit to there wasn't just kind of small and medium sized fish there, but something of a bigger quality. So we had a blast. Unfortunately, when we got so far up the stream, we got chased away by the mosquitoes and we had to get out of there. So we kind of got in a boggy area where the bugs were really bad. We were able to get back down the stream and it wasn't as buggy there, so we were able to fish a little bit before we headed out. But we had a blast, and again this year it's all about trying new waters, new techniques to catch fish, and that's what it was all about. Reese and I had a fun time doing it. So if you enjoyed this video, pound that like button, drop us a comment, and subscribe and become part of the Dad Life Fishing Adventure family. God bless, and we'll see you next time out on the water.